Having car insurance is already a requirement by law, but it's also extremely important to have the right kind of insurance in case you're ever involved in an accident.
That's right. And joining us now to share more on this topic is Meesha Moulton with the law offices of Meesha Moulton. Good morning, Meesha.
Good morning.
It's wonderful to have you back in.
Thank you so much for having me again.
So let's kind of dive into this topic. Car insurance. Car insurance, that's all we needed, right? So I want to know, there's these amounts. We talk about bodily injury coverage. You know, what do we need there by law, actually?
So by law, the state minimum is what's called a 2550. So it's $25,000 per person and then $50,000 for the entire accident. So since we are an at-fault state, we're required to carry that state minimum. And of course, you can always increase that and carry extra coverage, but that's the absolute minimum that you need.
What is the additional coverage people can get?
So the additional coverage that you can get is called underinsured and uninsured motorist coverage. So essentially what that means is if the $25,000 is just not enough to cover your medical bills, cover your time off work, get you the compensation that you're looking for, your insurance company will actually step in and then compensate you with underinsured motorist coverage. So you can get an additional policy through them, you can get another $25,000 through your insurance company, and you can obviously go up from there. So I always recommend that you contact your insurance company and see exactly how much they're charging for that. Usually works out to be maybe an extra $10, $15 a month, but it comes in great use when you do get into an accident. And it also covers you in the situation that the person who struck you and is at fault for the accident doesn't have insurance. So your insurance actually steps in that place.
Interesting.
So what does happen in a case where you get into something and all of those expenses really do exceed what you even had for coverage originally?
Yeah, so in that case, if you don't have underinsured motorist coverage, then essentially at that point, we're basically just trying to spread out the money as much as possible, cover your medical bills, negotiate them down as much as possible. So it does kind of leave us in a situation where maybe the medical bills far exceed what's available through insurance, and then at that point, we're kind of stuck in a situation where we may be able not get you the treatment that you fully need based on your injury. So I always recommend to have different coverages, have health insurance. We can always utilize that. Also just, like I said, contact your insurance company about it's called UIM. And then there is also med pay coverage as well. So that's also an additional cost that's pretty insignificant, but that will actually help cover you. It comes in $5,000, $10,000 increments. So these are small little costs that you can add to your monthly premium, but they really do help protect you in the end.
It's something that a lot of people think of as an afterthought or as something that's an annoyance, but I mean, I just recently moved, and it's one of those things you can either overlook or forget, but it's important to make sure that your coverage is up to date, that your address is correct. All these things can have an impact on you, legally and, personally if you don't keep an eye on it, right?
No, absolutely. You can get fined. You can make it harder for yourself to get insurance if you let your insurance lapse. You can pay higher premiums as a result. So you always want to make sure your insurance is fully up to date. And the main reason we have insurance is to protect ourselves personally. Protect our assets. So essentially it just makes sure that if you do happen to find yourself in an accident where you're at fault, nobody's going to be able to go after you directly. They'll have the insurance coverage to be able to make themselves whole.
Well, as Elliot mentioned, the whole process of getting car insurance can sometimes really be a nuisance, right?
Yes.
You're trying to figure out what's the right plan. So do you have any tips for people as they go on their hunt of what would be, things to look for that would be the best for them?
I definitely recommend shopping around with different insurance companies, so don't settle on the very first one. And then you do want to go with an insurance company that does offer those additional coverages. Like I mentioned, there's some smaller ones that don't necessarily offer those. So you want to try to stay away from some of those insurance companies. They may end up being significantly cheaper on a monthly basis, but overall, if you find yourself in a situation where you're in an accident, whether you're at fault or not, then that's usually the case where you wish you would have gone with a better insurance company.
Meesha, you always have fantastic advice, and I'm sure our viewers are very, very grateful. The law offices of Meesha Moulton are on Howard Hughes Parkway. For more information, you can visit meeshamoultonlaw.com.